Assigning a random number to each guest. We want to give each guest a 5-digit number in the sample list. To do so, you can use the RANDBETWEEN function. Click on a cell and type equals RANDBETWEEN, and enter the starting number such as 10,000, followed by 99,999. And press enter. Double-click on the lower left corner to apply that formula to all cells below. You realize that each time you refresh the cell or formula, Excel assigns a new random number. To avoid this, copy the column and paste as values. Please mind, this formula does not generate unique random numbers, so you may use the highlight feature to quickly check if all your numbers are really unique, and fix it if necessary. Click on Data, Conditional Formatting, and choose Highlight Duplicate Values. Change the selection to Unique, and you may change the color to green fill with dark green text. Press OK. Spotting only green and no red cells tells you that all numbers are indeed unique. If you like this video, please click on thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more event planning hacks. Thanks for watching.